Here he is, Mr. Ric Flair!
Get the water. What's everybody doing? I don't know why you guys are.
Oh, this is gonna be ridiculous.
Some of you may be wondering what Ric Flair is doing at McGrath Automotive Group today. I'll tell you what. I got a call from Commissioner Ritchie, and he tells me that Hulk Hogan is trying to intrude on my territory. I'll tell you what. As 10-time MWF title belt holder, Darren, give me the MWF title belt, please. McGrath Wrestling Federation belt. As 10-time McGrath Wrestling Federation belt holder, Hulk Hogan does not come and piss on my territory. And I'll tell you one thing. I spent more money on spilt liquor last year than Hulk Hogan has made in the last 10 years. Okay? Do you know why? Because I'm Ric Flair. And I'm the diamond ring wearing, Rolex wearing, kiss stealing, woo! Wheeling, dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun. But I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. And another thing, my cousin Artie called me the other day and asked me, Rick, why do women love you so much? It's pretty simple. This is pure intensified beef. 100% all American man. Ric Flair, the nature boy. Woo! All right, now here's what we need. All right, when I say give me a Ric Flair, that means 2 claps and a woo! Okay? So give me 2 claps and a Ric Flair. Woo! Give me 2 claps and a Ric Flair. Woo! Here we got 57,000 to go, don't we?
Yes,
okay?
sir.
This is the best federation to work for, McGrath Wrestling Federation. Let's make it happen. I'm Moonlight Man.